Welcome back to another video. This is a pick a card reading type video. I'm going to be picking some cards, giving you a reading. There's also going to be some energy clearing happening in this video. So go ahead and take part in the whole thing. This is here for you. Now look, we know that every reading is for you. Why do I say that? Well, because you and I are all a set of information that is present in the here and now. Let me say this again. You are a particular version of yourself that you have grown into from all your past experiences, all your past emotional experiences, your actions, your beliefs, your thoughts, your circumstances. They've all come together to create who you are, and who you are is here right now. Yeah, so there's nowhere to go to get a different reading, really, right now, than the present. And you're going to hear exactly what you can hear, or will hear, or need to hear, or just what you hear. And what you are hearing is bent through all of those experiences that you've had already. It's like light bending through you. It's light that is colored from everything you believe and everything you think and everything you hope for and everything you're scared of and everything you're everything. Oh, look at this. The abundance card. Why? Because in the moment, life really is an abundance of the light looking for you, coming into your life. And you can see it here. All the stars are there representing the light. And all of the fruit is there representing the little different varieties of the sweet, sweet stuff that you're experiencing when you're in your third eye or your consciousness space, your observational space, and you're observing what's going on in the present. So, look, the red, I guess you could call it an apple, but it's just the red root chakra in the basket here. What's that? That's your material world. So everything you're seeing in your material world, whether it be your clothing, whether it be your looks, whether it be like trees, flowers, whether it be this card, whether it be the little bluebird, whatever, anything you see around you, look around. Whether it be a Bluetooth, if you have a Bluetooth, none of these matter. They're all just different matter, material things. And as you look at the red apple, the root chakra of your life, your circumstances, right? Your belongings, the things that are happening with your relationships and with your work and your projects and your hopes and your dreams. When you look at that part of your life, you're going to see that it is abundant because there's so much of it. Look at how many details there are. That's what this is. This first part of the reading is you looking at the immensity, the abundance of the details that make up who you are right now, who you are aware of right now in your environment. And when you see all the things you're seeing, when you see all the little thises and that's that are around you, whether they're good thises or bad thises, whether it's a good relationship or a bad relationship, a good day or a bad day, no, whatever it is, look at all the multitude of details, and that's going to show you, prove to you, that you have a rich, abundant experience going on in the present. What's going to happen when you do that? You're going to feel that flow of the know. Flow of the know is the knowing that everything around you is conspiring to help you to get the white light. And that your material world really is a channel, a conduit, a stage set with props that are all still in your life, sitting there waiting for you to discover them, interact with them, and see that they really are the white light coming through into the world to communicate with you. So, all of a sudden, all of your circumstances, whether they are pluses or minuses, are valuable as part of the basket of fruit of your personal life. And they are really all there screaming out to you that life is abundant, abundant. The principle of abundance is entering your little space of your heart mind. And if you are living from a place of the belief in abundance, then more will be given to you. Your basket will overflow. That's why you see the apple falling out. It is expanding, abundance. So if you want more wonderful things, or if you want more things in general in your personal life, start by seeing what you already have as an abundance. And then more will be given unto you. Oh, that's a Bible quote. What? Jesus is like, to those who have, more will be given. So see that every little thing you have is really part of that big, 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 unlimited abundance that's flowing to you. What else do we have here? Oh, look at the green pear. What's the green pear all about? Look, the green pears are the green heart chakras. This means the heart chakra is just a part of our spiritual body, representing that we are awake spiritually. Look, you can see the green hue around the basket, and you can see the pears on the inside. So this is telling us that you want to make sure you know that you're spiritually awake. And all that means is that you know that you are a consciousness or an awareness that is living inside of a person's story, the story called you. So know that you are this big green eye that's looking into these little green day-to-day experiences of observation and awareness. Day by day, you are putting your awareness onto different things, embodying an experience of emotion with those things, popping back out of them, going back into something else. For example, in the morning, you're like popping into an experience with the coffee maker. Oh, hey, little coffee maker, thank you for making me coffee. Wow, look at the abundance of things. Look at the abundance of switches on you. Look at the abundance of water flowing through. Look at the abundance of each coffee grain that's gonna go up into my caffeinated brain. Ooh, what an abundance. So when you enter in with your observational body, your third eye, your spiritual heart chakra open, yeah, your spiritual body. When you enter into the world, then you get to pull in all of that good stuff. You get to have that abundance, and you get to see that there's other people around you, the pairs, that are also doing this. Find those people, talk with them, let yourself communicate with those heart chakra open people like me. What? Yeah, I said it, I'm spiritually awake. Look, you can always communicate with me. You can make me your spiritual friend easily just by watching the daily videos on this channel. Look, I'm talking to you right now. What? We're talking about spiritual things. That's what the reading is. You having an abundance of spiritual light reaching out to you everywhere you go and everything you do. And you can watch my videos and pretend. What? It's not even pretending, it's real. You can be here with me and you can communicate back with me just by leaving comments, right? So that's good. Find the other people who are spiritually awake in your life and visit with them on occasions. That's what the pairs are representing. So that you can do the other thing, which is what? Have the purple and the orange. What are those? All right. The purple is all the lessons we're learning as we enter into our personal experiences. Ooh, you know, I'm learning a lot of lessons with my son, ouch, and with my wife, who we're in separation. What? So we are a family still, we're together still, but we have a different type of interaction with each other. So we are in those situations where we really need to learn our lessons that we can bring into our interactions so that we can work together better as a unit to be able to foster each other's well-being and to continue to grow together with the family dynamic that we have. Remember, even families that are divorced or separated, they still are connected. There still is a union. There's still stuff to do, and it's still important to bring that pure lesson, pure wisdom, that's represented by all the purple, the pure crown chakra energy of goodwill, of wanting to learn and grow on the certain co-parenting issues, if it's that type of a situation, or, you know, co-mingling of whatever's going on there with the types of shared responsibilities those two people still have. So make sure that you're looking in to those experiences and valuing them just as much of an abundance as anything else that you have. This is more about treating everything equally in the way that everything in our life is really starlight that is coming into the world for us to be able to do our best with, to be intelligent with, to be understanding with, and to really do unto the other people as we would have them do to us. So the last part is the oranges in here. What's that all about? That's our words, that's our intelligence, the part of us that is calm and sane and is really determined to find creative, the orange, creative solutions to grow forward with these relationships and with these projects and with our work and with our interactions with other people. So bring that all together and you can see that your life really is a sweet fruit basket of light. It is an abundance. Stay in that mind space. Do that bun dance all day long, and you'll feel like the song that you're singing is true and authentic, and that you're putting your best foot forward. No matter how it unfolds, you're going to feel that sense of strength and okayness because you know that you're following your inner light, your inner tuition. You're paying it up here so that you can play it out down here on earth. That's the reading for this. I said there was going to be a little energy clearing for us. Let's see what it's coming from. What's the energy clearing? This is something a little new. What are you talking about, Brian? What's new? Well, I'll tell you what. When we renew our mind, everything in our body changes. Everything in our life changes. It's quoted in the Bible. It says, don't be conformed to what you know already in the world. All the stuff, all the definitions of everything we were already told. Don't just stay locked into that. Don't be conformed to the things you see in the world, but instead be transformed by the renewing of your mind, the renewing of your mind. So this little energy clearing card that's coming up is a little exercise that you just experience, and it's here to clear the emotions, to clear and renew your mind, because it's here to break off any old ideas about stuff around us. It's here to give us some fresh eyes. And how does it do that? It does it by vibrating through energy, vibrating. Yeah, shake it up, vibrating. Oh yeah, let me show you what I mean. Now look, there's been studies where they've put like music or frequency or vibrations on certain things, and it creates beautiful patterns. Now, that's all we're going to do is we're going to create a spiritual pattern by doing a little bit of nonsense plus sense and a little bit of interpretation that is a little bit out there but a little bit concrete. Or we're also going to add a little bit of melody, music, intensity, emotion, pop, 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 boom, yeah. That's how we do it. Here you go, energy clearer, integrate and be. Drop the card down, pick another, we're gonna find out what we see. When you go up to the guidance and you go into the flow of the know, you gotta realize that it's not an easy trip. You gotta know there's no script. It's the nothingness that you see, that you wanna reflect that light and be the one who says there's nothing to fear because here we are right here together. So let go of that sorrow face. Don't even bother with worrying about the duality place. This black and white feature is not a creature to fear. The sky is clear for you, Mr. and Mrs. Blue, starlight, find it, break through, gonna find it. Every time that ninja girl is the one who busts into the world of mirrors and a little bit of clearer seeing, and you know that it's going to be a little bit of a melody of a break apart of all of the dream of reality. So, that's all it really is, folks. You come on into the world and you think about the things you love and those things go into your heart. And then from that moment, they start to unfold and reflect back as a little picture of loveliness. You can't beat this. It is the way it is. Just decide that it's all going to be. It's going to be okay. That's your energy clearing. Thank you for not fearing such weird little different little new renewing of the mind type things that this channel and my daily card readings bring to your awareness. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel, share the videos, like the videos, leave me some comments and let me know how you're feeling, what you're thinking, what you're aware of, and all that goody good stuff. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Goodbye.